friends, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is the weekly indices update of all the US indices. Let's start with the Dow Jones. As I had analyzed last week, it's just following my analysis perfectly. The market has been very strong and it has just closed above the support line, and it has even met the first target, as well as the 20-day moving average has closed above the support, which was 29,531, and it has achieved the first target of 30,146 according to the extension and the Fibonacci projection, both. So both the targets have been achieved and it has closed pretty strongly. So now it has given a strong breakout, and we have to keep a stop loss over here, and we can, if it comes down to retest, we can buy more quantity, and if it keeps going up, you can buy according to your risk. My first target, if the market keeps going up, because everybody is kind of bearish on the market and we'll have a lot of shorts in the system. So the market makers might like to do the opposite and trap the retail investors as well as the other innocent investors who are there in the market. And by specific name, I would like to say the Robinhood investors who have joined recently in the market. So we should be careful, be cautious. If you want to buy near the support, which was mentioned earlier as well the past week, and it's 29,531, and you can book your first profit, big profit at 32,700 level as mentioned over here, or 32,670. And the next target, the immediate next target, is going to be 31,323. 31,323 is going to be the next target according to Fibonacci, and the other target is going to be 32,700. And after that, it keeps going up, then it's going to be 34,628. So that's for the Dow Jones index, how it's going to behave in the future, how it can behave if it's strong and it keeps going up like a mad horse, the way it was doing last week and last week. So we have to keep these levels in mind, and they are following the technical analysis perfectly till now. Let's see how it goes next week. So as you can see, they are doing the market is behaving pretty strongly. It's closing above the 20-day moving average, and all the small moving averages, they are like pretty close. They're not far off. So I don't see a big correction. We can have a mild correction, and if this support breaks, then we can go short with a stop loss just above this support line. Okay, and we can get a shorting target till here, but I feel it's going to be a little strong because people are kind of cautious and people are bearish, so they will have short positions. So the market makers will definitely earn maximum amount of money by going the opposite way, that is buying and taking the market higher. When everybody's short, they'll be long. That's what I feel. That's what my psychology suggests after reading so many stock market books and trying to understand the other things. Now let's go to the Nasdaq index, my favorite index. It has done pretty strongly as well. Like, it has earlier it had closed at 12,200. Now it has closed at 2,464. So it's almost like 260-point jump, and it has also achieved the first target of Fibonacci. So for it, the immediate next target will be 12,637, and then after that 13,206, and the target which I'm looking at for quite some time is going to be 1392. Sorry, 13,932. Okay, 13,932, and after that 14,400. But we have to wait for those targets to come. Let's just if people want to buy and are eager to buy, let's just buy over here and sit tight for some time. There's no point buying in between, somewhere in between. It's no point buying. If you want to trade, if you want to invest, it's fine. You can be like Warren Buffett, just invest and forget and do your thing. But I'm more of a trader than an investor. I try to buy highly undervalued stocks rather than somewhere in the middle. If you want to just trade, then you have to trade according to the technical analysis, and technical analysis says that this is the support region. Buy near this. We are pretty much near this. You can buy some here and buy when it comes down to retest it if you get a chance, and let it just keep going and book your first profit, 50% profit at this point. Or if you want to book your profit earlier, you can book it at 13,206, 13,206, and before that, if you want to go ahead and book it, it's your choice. 12,637 is the first level according to Fibonacci. So let's go to the S&P 500 index. Okay, it has also closed pretty strongly, but there was not as much movement as the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones. So let's just see the targets. It has achieved the first target according to the projection of Fibonacci. Yeah, it has achieved that target. Um, yeah, it has gone beyond that actually. So the first target was supposed to be 36, 35 according to my previous video, and it has given closing above that, much above that. So that target has been achieved. Now the other small targets, nearby targets, are going to be 37, 37, 38, 81, and 4066 is the big target, next big target, and another big target is 42, 62. So this is what I've assessed according to my technical analysis expertise, what's going to be the next week like, or the coming weeks like. If we keep going up, people keep asking me, how far are we going to go up? What's going to happen? Have short positions. I have done this, and I'm trapped. And what should I do now? Should I book my losses? See, whatever you do, you consult your financial advisor first and keep a stop loss according to your risk profile. Nobody is going to be bothered about your risk except you. So it's up to you to manage your risk well, and then go from that. If your trade is not going your way, book your loss and move on. If you keep in loss, then there's no point holding on to a losing trade. So that's what I would like to say, and just leave your comments and suggestions. If you like this video, just like and share it. And if you have come to the channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon if you've liked what I've said, so that you get the updates about my upcoming videos. And I'll be coming up with many intraday strategies, many swing trading investing strategies, as well as the long-term investment strategies in the future. I want to make a free technical analysis online course as well on YouTube, which will be free for you to learn. You just have to spend time with the charts, and then you'll know what's going on. So that's what I would like to suggest. And thank you so much for coming to this channel. Have a great day. I hope you find this video very useful in your trading and investing. And thank you so much. Have a good day.